How to add Amazon reviews to WordPress. Hi guys, so in this video, I'll teach you how to add Amazon reviews to WordPress. So if you want to learn how it's done, then this video is for you. So for this one, you just need to head over to your Google and search in here for Elf site. So search for Elf site right here, and then you can see the elfsite.com. So just head over to that specific website, and then once you have done that, you will see this. So to do this, you just need to log in or sign up to their actual subscription. So as you can see right here, I already signed in to mine. So in here, you can see that you have the option in here to create a widget. So when you click on this create widget right here, once you have done signing up, you can see the apps catalog that they have. You can see in here WhatsApp, Instagram feed, and all of that. But since you want Amazon, search in here for Amazon right here. And then from in there, you will see these Amazon reviews. So click on that. And then once you have clicked on that, you can see here a template. So just wait for this right here. Just choose a template that you want to use. And for example, you already chosen a template. So just click on this continue with this template right here. Then put in here the source of your Amazon URL. Then after you have done putting in your Amazon URL, you will be prompted to add your WordPress site. So you can change the layout, the style, and everything. When you head over to here, right here, you will be able to customize it however you want. And when you publish it, you should be able to publish it also on your WordPress. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add Amazon reviews to WordPress. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and try my best to answer them. Thanks.